So class, today's topic is auditor's duty, or you can say the liability or the precautions which needs to be taken while conducting the audit which is based on a samples. कि अभी यहाँ पर ऑडिटर की क्या ड्यूटी हो जाएगी, क्या लायबिलिटी हो जाएगी, और व्हाट इज द प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स व्हिच कैन टेक इट अप. नाउ द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज ड्यू केयर. सी, जब भी ऑडिटर इज एक्सरसाइजिंग दिस टेक्निक, तो उसको सबसे पहले ये देखना है कि प्रॉपरली एक्सरसाइज हो रहा है या नहीं. द ऑडिटर नीड्स टू इवन कंसिडर हिज स्किल्स. फिर डिलीजेंस देखना है, एंड देन प्रॉपर एनालिसिस ऑफ द एविडेंस शुड बी डन, एंड देन ओनली he can conclude on the conclusion. तो उसको क्या करना चाहिए? he should take a proper due care कि जो भी उसने सैंपल सिलेक्ट किया है वो प्रॉपर है, and based on that he should examine the evidences as well. Second one is what reasonable basis. So auditor should ensure that the जो भी audit sample उन्होंने लिया है, they are completely of a reasonable base for the auditor, so that based keeping that as a base, auditor can draw a proper conclusion about the population. ठीक है, from where he has selected the samples. So a proper reasonable basis is required. The third point is designing the sample. See, the auditor should design the sample in the proper and the scientific manner. ऐसे ही कुछ भी सैंपल ले लिया, जो मन चाहा वो ले लिया, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. So he should select the sample in a proper scientific manner. He has to carry out the audit by rigorously following all the statistical rules of the sampling, so that he can rely on the conclusion as well. ठीक है, over here he should be careful when he must be giving the judgment. वहां पर उसको काफी care से अपनी judgment देनी है. Okay, so this is the point which he needs to remember while designing the sample, and it should, the sample which has been selected should characterize whole of the population. Next is what? Sample size. See, the auditor first only he should determine the sample का size, कितना उसको लेना है. ठीक है, depending upon the errors or the frauds found, he can increase or decrease the sample size. देखो, अगर वो रिस्क लेना चाहता है तो वो क्या करेगा? वो ऑब्वियसली सैंपल साइज को रिड्यूस कर देगा. बट इफ ही डोंट वांट टू टेक द रिस्क, व्हाट ही विल बी डूइंग? ही विल बी इंक्रीजिंग द सैंपल साइज. नेक्स्ट वन इज सिलेक्शन ऑफ द आइटम्स. See, the auditor should select the items in such a way that each sampling unit in the population gets an equal chance of the selection. And in the previous class also we have done the method of selecting the samples. मेरे पास methods, random sampling was there, selection sampling was there, haphazard sampling was there. So he should take a proper measure कि जो भी sampling unit उन्होंने select किया in the from the population should get an equal chance of the selection. Then a proper audit procedures need to be followed so that the purpose can be served and each of the item can be properly selected. Okay. The next one, apart from it, अगर देखो, अगर उनको कोई भी deviations मिल रहे, कोई भी misstatements मिल रही है, suppose, तो it should not affect him. तो फिर जैसे ही उनको पता चला कि हाँ यहाँ पर deviations है, यहाँ पर properly नहीं किया गया है, immediately he should increase the sample size, so that जो भी वो select कर रहे हैं वो ultimately पूरे complete population के को हम analyze करके conclusion draw कर सकते. And the last point is a proper test check. See, if auditor adopts the test check method without following any statistical rule, the extent of the coverage of the sample size should get increased. And a proper judgment also is required by an auditor. So if he has taken a proper judgment, so this will be taken into the consideration while deciding the auditor's liability. So even the test check over here plays an important role.